It's old now.
5 months old.
Almost. Next week.
Yep.
So we're going to try this. Because you are a chunko. Ooh. It's good, huh?
Got a lot on your mouth.
Is that good?
It tastes terrible. I tried it, but
Yeah.
babies don't know what's good.
Yummy, huh?
Grody. Grody. Daddy says grody.
Say shh, Daddy. Boom. Yummy?
Okay, we'll turn it off. See you later.